Hello everybody and welcome back to another How to Stock Market video here with your host Jimmy K from How to Stock Market. For this video we'll be going over one dividend stock that you can buy and hold for life, and it will be a solid long-term safe bet that you will make money. This is an article by Andy Gold. He's from CMF Goldberg and it's posted on January 16, 2018. So essentially he believes Starbucks is the top choice in terms of a long-term dividend yield, along with a solid growth in terms of stock value. Starbucks may no longer be the growth engine it once was, but it's still a solid choice for investors and a stable business for attractive dividend prospects. Starbucks is grown into 27,000 locations in 75 different countries, and it achieved a massive scale. The company's days of double-digit annual revenue growth appear to be over. But that doesn't mean Starbucks is no longer a worthy investment. In fact, for investors looking for a steady dividend payer that's likely to increase its dividend over time, Starbucks may be the answer. And if you guys just look around your retailers in your neighborhood or wherever you go out to maybe travel or do whatever it is you do, you can see a Starbucks on like every corner of every street. And that's same for right, you typically see tons of stores just like everywhere. So if we look at the stock charts, we can see that in terms of stock value, it hasn't grown that much in the past couple year or two. We can see that it's very consolidated around the $60 price point. This is most largely due to the fact that they reinvest most of their earnings back into opening more stores and into different locations, and it's basically on that scale where it just can constantly open new stores wherever they please. So just by that we can observe that it is a solid company to be invested in, and we can see that it's very stable in terms of valuation. If we look at just the consumer market for Starbucks, we can see that it's a very popular company, especially with the younger generations. So while it is not one of the higher dividend yielding companies as of the moment, it's a very solid bet that it'll have a lot of potential to grow, especially with how constantly this company is reinvesting its earnings back into opening more stores in like the global markets, such as Asia as well. We can see here that it's a rapid expanding presence in China. It already has nearly 3,000 stores in 135 Chinese cities. But the coffee giant believes that the world's second largest economy, with its proliferating middle class, is a perfect fit for the company's next major expansion. China was the fastest growing market with Starbucks, sales growth of 7%, with the US growth of 3%. So Starbucks has a very strong management, and they're always constantly seeking to maximize their profits. So in the long run, they should, be have a lot of room for growth, and also give a lot of value back to the shareholders. So it is a dividend growth ahead, all continued growth potential is good news for the company, offers a nice dividend now, and one that's only expected to increase over time. Currently, it's paying a quarterly dividend of about 30 cents a year, which is not that much, so you will have to purchase tons and tons of shares. If we just make a let me see here. Yeah, so about 30 cents quarterly, so every 3 months. Every 3 months you'll get a payout of 30 cents per share, and it's only expected to increase over time. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think in terms of Starbucks dividend yield. Do you guys believe this is a stock that you should be invested in for life, or do you see other potential, better companies out there that's a better stock in terms of growth potential? I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope it helps some of you out there in terms of on how you should evaluate Starbucks going forwards into the coming years. If you guys have any disagreements or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And once again, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.